cross this off your bucket list. Make your own donuts in under 5 minutes. It's actually a fun group activity and makes a batch of mini donuts instantly. Personalize any recipe or make healthier versions of your favorite treats. Just pipe your recipe inside and close it, then drizzle and decorate. And the machine is so tiny and lightweight, it's nothing to store.
Kitchen organization finds. These under the cabinet baskets that add a good amount of additional storage. They can also be flipped upside down to create cabinet shelves. Secondly are these awesome tea organizers, which can be stacked horizontally or vertically. Amazon kitchen must-haves. These silicone containers are easily collapsible and expandable. They're dishwasher, microwave, and even oven safe, and they barely take up any room in my kitchen drawer. Amazon kitchen finds. These are dissolvable stickers for labeling food containers. They dissolve in 30 seconds under running water or in 5 with the help of a sponge. I also add the date of when I pack the item so that I know it's fresh in my fridge.
Amazon Partition Apart 294 300. This is the ultimate cooking kit. It comes with every single piece of kitchen equipment you need to make a delicious meal. All of the appliances stack on each other for easy and quick storage. Bowls also come with a non-stick bottom. Cooking has never been easier.
Amazon Kitchen Favorites. This 2-pack of oil and vinegar dispensers measures out the perfect amount of oil up to 1 tablespoon for mess-free pouring every single time. They also look beautiful displayed on a counter. And this collapsible silicone popcorn bowl makes up to 15 cups of popcorn in just 2 minutes. The popcorn is delicious, the process is completely mess-free, and the bowl is dishwasher safe. Link in bio to shop.
How to replace over 8 types of bulky cookware with 1 pan. This is the viral Our Place Always pan and fry pan. It is supposed to replace your non-stick pan, skillet, saucepan, fry pan, saute pan, steamer, spatula, and spoon rest all in one. I tested it out on dumplings, both fried and steamed. The steaming was effortless and didn't need much water. After, I applied the new fry deck that is made to let oil drip off naturally so you don't waste a stack of greasy paper towels. It also came with these high-quality chopsticks to reach where a spatula can't. Overall, I can definitely see why this pan is trending.
Random Amazon finds that just slap. This gadget turns any frozen fruit into delicious ice cream in a matter of seconds. Grab your favorite frozen fruit, push it down the chute with the plunger, and you'll instantly get natural, dairy-free, soft-serve ice cream and with no preservatives. All the parts are dishwasher safe, and it's perfect if you're looking for a healthy dessert all summer long.
Amazon Kitchen Gadgets. This is a capsule that is used to disinfect fruits, vegetables, and even meat. The concept behind it is that it creates hydroxyl ions in water, thereby oxidizing bacteria and killing it off. It also turns off by itself after a certain period of time.
Random Amazon finds that just slap. These beans by a dozen cousins will help you make wholesome meals that are ready in minutes. Their beans are made with easy to recognize ingredients like onions, peppers, garlic, and avocado oil. They're all non-GMO and have no artificial flavors. Tonight is burrito night. Let's start with some rice, Cuban black beans, steak, some cheese, and finish with some guacamole. I'm so glad I found a great alternative to scratch cooking. My family and I can enjoy traditional foods without compromising taste, health, or convenience. A Dozen Cousins also sells a line of rice cooked in bone broth and entree rice seasoning sauces. So if you're looking to keep your meals sustainable, healthy, and easy, then make sure to check out A Dozen Cousins on Amazon Prime Day this July 12th and 13th. Random Amazon finds that just slap. This gadget is the easiest way to core strawberries to remove stems fast, saving you more of the berry. Just push it in at an angle and the stem pops right out. It's mess-free, no need to use cutting boards or knives, and it's safe for all ages.
That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.